Hello, I'm Jimmy from DesignTunnel. With Facebook changing their look and functionality so often, it's easy to lose track of how to do things. Here's a quick tutorial explaining how to invite all of your friends to a Facebook page on mobile from our team here at DesignTunnel.
After Facebook is open, click Search from the top of the homepage. Search for the page you would want to invite your friends to, and then click on it. In the menu bar on the chosen page, swipe over until you can select the Community tab. Scroll down on the Community page until you see the button that says Invite Friends. Once there, you can click on any individual friends, or if you manage the page, you can simply click Select All. After that, click the button at the bottom of the page. You have now successfully sent out the invite and will be notified if they like or share the page.
Thanks for watching our quick tutorial. If you have any marketing, advertising, or video production questions, just send us a message and we'll get back with you. You can also email me directly at jimmy@designtunnel.com or call 405-388-9380. If you like this video, smash the like button and share. And you can follow us at DesignTunnel across all our social media. Thanks again.